In front of me is TECLAST T60, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. Begin by launching your keyboard and tapping on the microphone icon at the top right corner. If it's not visible, use this gear one instead. Click on voice typing and use this switcher to activate it. Then go back to your keyboard and click on visible microphone. Now tap on while using the app and start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you want to stop, tap on the same microphone again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!